Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into setting up a Trello Card Reminder. This is a key skill for those of you who wish to stay organized and keep track of your tasks effectively. Firstly, let's open up Trello and select the board and specific card you want to set a reminder for. This is important because Trello allows you to set specific reminders for each individual task or card. Next, once you're on your chosen card, you'll find the Add to Card section on the right. Click on Due Date. Now, this is where you'll specify when this task is due. The reason we do this is to establish a timeline for the reminder. After you have set the due date, you'll see an option to Remind Me. Here, you can select how long before the due date you want to receive a reminder. This helps us because it ensures that we get timely alerts before the task is due. Now that we've done that, click Save to make sure your reminder is set. The importance of this step is self-evident. Without saving, the reminder won't be activated. Let me explain why this matters. Trello card reminders are essential in helping you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. They prevent you from forgetting important tasks and help you stay on top of your workload. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've set up a Trello card reminder. So, next time you're juggling multiple tasks, you can rely on Trello to keep you on track and remind you of the important stuff. Thank you for tuning in today, and until next time, keep those tasks in check.